Since ancient times, humans have gazed at the stars, pondering our place in the vast cosmos. In 1964, Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev introduced a groundbreaking scale to measure the advancement of civilizations based on their energy consumption. This Kardashev scale categorizes civilizations into three distinct levels: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. A Type 1 civilization, also known as a planetary civilization, harnesses and utilizes all the energy available on its home planet. Currently, humanity is at a nascent stage, classified as a Type 0 civilization, as we have yet to fully tap into our planet's potential. Transitioning to a Type 1 civilization involves embracing sustainable practices and advancing our technological capabilities to create a harmonious and energy-efficient world. Imagine a world where energy is not just clean, but limitless, abundant, and accessible to every corner of the globe. A world where we've transcended the shackles of fossil fuels, harnessing the boundless power of our planet and its star. This is the awe-inspiring vision of a Type 1 civilization, where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. Mastery over energy and resource management, ensuring efficiency and resilience in every aspect of life. Embracing a circular economy, where waste is a thing of the past, pollution is minimized and the environment is cherished. Advanced technologies pave the way for this sustainable future, driving progress and innovation. Becoming a Type 1 civilization is not just a goal, but a necessary and inspiring step in our collective evolution. Our current reliance on fossil fuels is not only unsustainable but also perilous for our environment. The damage we inflict on our planet is evident in the deforestation, polluted waterways, and smog-filled cities. Climate change serves as a stark reminder of the dire consequences of our actions, manifesting in melting ice caps and increasingly severe weather events. Transitioning to a Type 1 civilization offers a beacon of hope, a pathway to a sustainable future. By embracing renewable energy sources like solar and wind, and adopting sustainable practices, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Imagine a world where the air is clean, rivers run clear, and ecosystems flourish. Achieving Type 1 status not only mitigates climate change but also unlocks extraordinary possibilities for humanity. With an abundance of clean energy, we can fuel technological advancements and explore the universe in ways that were once the realm of science fiction. Envision building vast space-based solar power stations, mining asteroids for precious resources, or even terraforming other planets to create new habitats for humanity. These ambitious endeavors, which seem like science fiction today, become achievable milestones once we reach Type 1 and beyond. The journey to Type 1 is not merely about survival, it's about thriving and pushing the boundaries of human potential. It's about harnessing our ingenuity to create a future where we can explore, discover, and evolve as a species, venturing into the stars and beyond. The first monumental step towards becoming a Type 1 civilization lies in mastering renewable energy sources. We must decisively move away from the polluting and finite resources of the past and wholeheartedly embrace the clean and abundant energy sources of the future. Solar energy, for example, holds immense potential to revolutionize our energy landscape. The sun bathes our planet in more energy in 1 hour than the entire human civilization consumes in a year. This is a staggering amount of power just waiting to be harnessed. Imagine covering vast deserts with solar panels, capturing this boundless energy and beaming it to where it's needed. This could power entire cities sustainably. Wind energy is another abundant source waiting to be harnessed. The power of the wind is immense and ever-present. From massive offshore wind farms to smaller, more efficient turbines, we can capture the kinetic energy of the wind and convert it into usable power, driving our progress forward. Geothermal energy, while less known, offers a constant and reliable source of power. It's a hidden gem beneath our feet. By tapping into the Earth's internal heat, we can generate electricity and heat homes without producing greenhouse gases, ensuring a cleaner future. But it's not just about individual technologies, it's about creating an interconnected and intelligent energy grid that can efficiently distribute power from wherever it's generated to wherever it's needed. This smart grid will be the backbone of our Type 1 civilization, ensuring that every corner of the globe has access to clean, reliable energy. Alongside renewable energy, a Type 1 civilization requires a profound understanding and mastery of resource management. This involves developing cutting-edge technologies and fully embracing circular economic models. Fusion power, often called the holy grail of energy production, holds immense promise for our future. By fusing atoms together just like the sun, we can create a near-limitless source of clean energy, revolutionizing our power systems. Energy storage is another crucial frontier. We need advanced batteries, ultra-efficient capacitors, and innovative solutions like pumped hydro and thermal storage to effectively store the energy we generate from renewables. Transportation is another sector ripe for a technological revolution. Electric vehicles powered by renewable sources, high-speed rail systems, and even futuristic concepts like hyperloop technology can transform the way we move, drastically reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Beyond these technological advancements, a Type 1 civilization would fully embrace recycling, upcycling, and closed-loop systems, ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently and waste is minimized, creating a sustainable and innovative future. While we haven't reached Type 1 status yet, we are making significant strides. The cost of renewable energy technologies has plummeted in recent years, making them increasingly competitive with fossil fuels. The global adoption of solar and wind power is accelerating, with countries around the world setting ambitious targets for renewable energy production. Investments in fusion research are increasing, bringing us closer to realizing this game-changing technology. Furthermore, there's a growing awareness of the importance of sustainability and resource management. From individuals making conscious choices to governments implementing policies promoting circular economies, we're moving in the right direction. However, we still have a long way to go. To accelerate the transition to renewables, we need to invest heavily in research and development, and promote global cooperation to overcome the challenges ahead. Community solar projects, the expansion of electric vehicle infrastructure, and advancements in smart grid technology are all crucial steps. International climate agreements and collaborative research initiatives are fostering a spirit of global unity and shared responsibility. Educational programs on sustainability, youth climate activism, and green job training are empowering the next generation to lead the charge. Together we can build thriving green cities, develop innovative eco-friendly technologies, and achieve a harmonious coexistence with nature. The future is bright, and the journey towards a Type 1 civilization is well underway. Predicting when we might achieve Type 1 status is a complex endeavor. Some optimistic estimates suggest we could reach this milestone within the next century or two, while others believe it might take several centuries more. The pace of technological advancement is difficult to predict, and unforeseen breakthroughs could dramatically accelerate our progress. Factors like global cooperation, political will, and public support for sustainability will also play a crucial role. Regardless of the exact timeline, one thing is clear. The journey towards becoming a Type 1 civilization is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires sustained effort, long-term vision, and the collective will to create a better future for humanity. Achieving Type 1 status comes with immense promise but also significant challenges. With abundant clean energy and advanced technologies, we could address some of humanity's most pressing issues, from poverty and hunger to disease and climate change. We could create a world where everyone has access to clean water, nutritious food, quality education, and healthcare. We could explore the universe, unlock the secrets of the cosmos, and perhaps even encounter other intelligent life forms. However, this level of advancement also presents ethical dilemmas. How do we ensure that the benefits of technology are shared equitably? How do we prevent the misuse of powerful technologies? These are questions a Type 1 civilization must grapple with. Additionally, the rapid advancement could lead to environmental degradation, overpopulation, and resource depletion, if not managed wisely. Social inequality and economic disparity could widen if technological benefits are not distributed fairly. Global cooperation and ethical governance will be crucial in navigating these promises and perils. The journey to a Type 1 civilization is filled with both hope and caution, requiring us to balance innovation with responsibility. The journey to Type 1 might seem daunting, but every individual has a crucial role to play in this grand endeavor. Small changes in our daily lives can have a significant impact. Start by making eco-friendly choices like recycling and conserving energy. Reduce your carbon footprint by using energy-efficient appliances, opting for sustainable transportation like biking or electric cars, and embracing a zero-waste lifestyle. Every small step counts. Support businesses and organizations that prioritize sustainability. Your purchasing power can drive change. Invest in renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Your choices can fuel a greener future. Educate yourself about the challenges and opportunities of reaching Type 1. Knowledge is power. Engage in meaningful conversations with your family, friends, and community. Share what you learn and inspire others. Advocate for policies that promote renewable energy, resource conservation, and sustainable practices. Your voice matters. Remember, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create together. Collective action is the key. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to building the sustainable and prosperous Type 1 civilization we aspire to be. Your efforts are the building blocks of our future. The journey to Type 1 is a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, our insatiable curiosity, and our unwavering belief in a brighter future. It's a journey that will test our limits, challenge our assumptions, and push us to the very edge of our capabilities. But it's a journey worth taking, for in reaching for the stars, we discover the best in ourselves. We unlock the potential that lies dormant within our species, and pave the way for a future filled with wonder, possibility, and boundless opportunity. So let us embrace this challenge with open arms, with courage in our hearts, and with an unyielding determination to create a future worthy of our dreams. The future of humanity among the stars awaits. Let's get to work. Together we will transcend boundaries, overcome obstacles, and achieve the extraordinary. Our collective journey to the stars is not just a dream, it's our destiny.